we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, did you see those coffee machines on Amazon? I was checking out the Breville Barista Touch, the Damson blue one.
Oh yeah, the BDMW9H9T? I saw that. Pretty slick. I actually looked at another one, the ChefRobot BES880BTR.
ChefRobot? Never heard of it. How does it compare to the Breville? I like that the Breville has a touchscreen.
The ChefRobot has a touchscreen too, actually. Both are fully automatic, making espresso, cappuccino, latte, you name it. But the Breville, it seems more established. It's got almost 4,000 reviews, rating 4.4, while ChefRobot only has 13 reviews, but they're all 5-star.
Yeah, that review count difference is significant. But what about the grinding? Breville boasts about its dose control grinding.
ChefRobot has a built-in grinder too, with 3 grind levels. The Breville also has an integrated grinder. The ChefRobot's got a 4-level grinder tailored for different drinks.
Interesting. What about water and milk capacity? I hate refilling all the time.
The Breville has a 67 ounces water tank, which is pretty good. The ChefRobot has a 1.5 L, which is about 50 ounces. But the milk tank on the ChefRobot is 300 milliliters. The Breville doesn't specify the milk tank size.
Okay, so Breville wins on water, maybe. What about cleanup? That's a big factor for me.
The ChefRobot highlights its self-cleaning function. It reminds you to clean the water tank and other parts. The Breville also comes with a cleaning kit, but doesn't specifically say self-cleaning.
Self-cleaning sounds amazing. What about price?
The ChefRobot is listed at $699.99. The Breville is $799.95, but it was originally listed at $999.95. So the ChefRobot is cheaper right now.
Okay, so ChefRobot is cheaper, has self-cleaning, and a similar touchscreen experience, and more grinding levels. But the Breville is more established, and has a bigger water tank.
Exactly. It depends on what you value most: brand recognition and water capacity, or price and self-cleaning.
Good points. Thanks for the breakdown. I'll need to think about this. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.